Money-making method requires a lot of skill and time, but as the saying says, work smarter, not harder. So today, I will let you in on a secret that might change your way to work. If you watch this video entirely, you can make a lot of money with minimum effort. So stick with me till the end of this video, and I will teach you the best way to make upwards of $40,000 every month. This is a rain sound video. If you are a YouTube freak like me, you must have stumbled upon a video like this, which is very long, usually more than 8 hours. But have you seen what is really in these videos? This one right here has more than 130 million views. And the video is just a loop of rain visual and rain sounds for 10 hours. According to Social Blade, this channel makes up to $90,000 each month. These are not the exact earnings. The exact earnings from YouTube alone would be more than this. Why did I say YouTube alone? Because once you start getting YouTube views, there will be many more money-making streams that you can start to make more money online, like affiliate links, sponsors, merchandise, and the list goes on. So today, I'm going to teach you the easiest money-making method for YouTube. It requires no skill, no investment, no time, and staring at your money tree growing every day. Now get back, relax, and watch this video carefully to know the ins and outs of YouTube. Hey Money Crushers, I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. In the first step, I will show you the ways to get the sounds for your videos. In step number 2, I will show you the best free method to get your visuals. In step 3, we will make the video and start making money on YouTube. So the first site where you can get your free rain sounds is freesound.org. Just make a free account on this site and search for rain or thunder. You can click on this tiny play button to listen to these different sounds. Choose any one you like, open it, and press the download button. These sounds might be of 30 seconds or a minute. But don't worry, we are going to loop them later to make it longer. Now, another free site which you can use to download rain sound is zapsplat.com. This is also a great website to download free sounds for your YouTube videos. Make an account and search for rain. They have some great quality and long sounds. Play some of them, choose the ones of your liking, and simply press the download button. Now we have the rain sounds for our video, and all we need is a good visual of rain or thunderstorm. But before we go to the next site, where we can download our free visuals of rain, consider subscribing with the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our future updates. And don't forget to smash that like button, it means a lot. Let's head back to the video. So for our next step, we need visuals. To get some high-quality visuals of rain or thunder, let's head to pexels.com. This site offers a huge variety of high-quality copyright-free footage that you can use in your projects. Let's search for rain. Select the videos option from here, then click on the filter to show only the videos in horizontal orientation. Here you can see some great visuals of rain. You can change it a bit if you want. For example, you can search for rain in the forest or rain on house. Now you can hover over any video to see the preview. Choose any one you like and click on it to open it. From here, you can choose the resolution that you want. Now, just click the download button and get ready to make money online with rain videos. Now that we have completed 2 steps, let's head on to step number 3. In this step, we will combine the video and the sound and also learn how to rank among the top. Because every niche has competition, we have to make our video stand out. For that, we will get help from some extensions, but before that, let's make our video. To do that, open up your video editing software. I use Premiere Pro, but you can use any free editing software you want. You can also use your smartphone if you want. So now, we are in Premiere Pro. Here, we will add the sound and the video to our sequence and loop it. For looping it, all we have to do is copy and paste the video and audio again and again to make it 8 or 10 hours long. They are usually this long because people generally listen to them in the background while studying or sleeping. After that, we will export our video. Now we have the main content ready to upload, but how are we going to make it stand out? For that, we can use free extensions like vidLQ or TubeBuddy. These extensions will help you know how many people are searching for them and how much competition you have. After adding these extensions, type in a title in the YouTube search bar, for example, thunder and rain sounds. Now with the help of our extensions, we can see how much people are searching for them and the competition. For this search term, the volume is very good and the competition is fair, so it would be difficult for you to stand out. To stand out, you have to come up with a different title for the video. Let's try some different keywords, like soothing sounds to sleep to. For this particular keyword, the search result is excellent and the competition is in yellow, which is good, still better than the previous search term. So try different keywords and choose the one with less competition, which will help you stand out. Now, you have your looping rain sounds video and a great title. All you need to do now is upload it to YouTube and make your money tree grow. Thanks for watching. I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.